To make money with Kindle Direct Publishing, KDP, follow these systematic steps. First, choose your niche carefully. This involves identifying profitable areas by researching current trends and pinpointing a unique angle that sets your content apart. Next, proceed to write your book. This can span genres such as fiction, nonfiction, or even low-content formats like journals. Once the writing phase is complete, design an eye-catching cover since the visual appeal of your book plays a crucial role in attracting potential buyers. Following the cover design, focus on formatting your book to ensure it presents well across all device types, maintaining a professional and accessible format. The subsequent step is to publish your book on KDP, followed by a robust promotion strategy. Effective promotion could include leveraging social media platforms, email marketing, and utilizing Amazon ads to enhance the book's visibility. By following these detailed steps, you can efficiently navigate the process of making money through Kindle Direct Publishing. For continuous updates and additional tips on generating income online, consider subscribing to Money Mastery.